LangFlow gives you the best advantage you can have right now, which is time to market. You can design, develop, build and launch an end-to-end AI agent in hours. With LangFlow, that would take you days or even weeks if you build it from scratch with LangChain or LlamaIndex. Building AI agents is hard enough already, with evolving prompts, messy workflows, vector databases, new protocols and frameworks every day. Wouldn't it be great if you could just drag and drop AI components? That's exactly what LangFlow does. With over 80,000 stars on GitHub, LangFlow is a free and open source tool that lets you visually build workflows for your AI agents. It's like Node-RED or N8N just for AI. Look at their built-in components. They've got components for almost everything. From web scraping, you go to URL and you can immediately start web scraping. You can make API requests through their platform directly, or you can connect almost every vector store out there. When it comes to AI model, again, they support everything under the sun. From most popular ones such as Anthropic, Amazon Bedrock, directly integrating with OpenAI, or even open source LLM platforms like Ollama. LangFlow provides you with REST APIs so you can directly integrate with your existing applications. You can go and look at their API documentation and you can easily trigger any of these AI workflows right from your existing app without having to install and program LangChain or LlamaIndex. LangFlow also has a lot of these ready-made templates which you can directly start using. I will walk you through some of these templates during the LinkedIn content writing demo later in this video. Well, if you can build web and mobile apps from scratch, why not build an AI workflow too? LangFlow gives you the best advantage you can have right now, which is time to market. You can design, develop, build and launch an end-to-end AI agent in hours. With LangFlow, that would take you days or even weeks if you build it from scratch with LangChain or LlamaIndex. Since it's completely free and open source, you can self-host LangFlow yourself. Simply go to the documentation, look at the deployment guide, maybe choose Docker, and you can self-host it yourself. You can follow the documentation, set up a server, deploy LangFlow. But it doesn't stop there, right? You have to make sure it's running 24/7, manage updates, backups, and keep an eye on security. Sounds like a lot of work? That's where House of FOSS can help you. House of FOSS is a marketplace for open source application, with a mission to make open source easy and accessible to everyone, not just tech bros. Through House of FOSS, running LangFlow is as easy as installing an app on your phone. Simply create your account on House of FOSS, then create a workspace. Come into your workspace and you can create your application. Search for LangFlow. Choose the monthly active users you may have and just launch. It's that simple. In minutes, you'll get a private and secure URL through which you can start using LangFlow. No Docker, no DevOps, no setup or maintenance headaches. We manage everything for you. Now that my LangFlow application is ready to use, I can just visit this URL and log in with the details given here. So it's admin@admin.com and admin@1234. So admin@admin.com and admin@1345. So now I have a fully functional LangFlow application up and running for me in minutes. Now let's look at how we can use the ready-made templates in LangFlow. You can create a new flow and immediately have all these templates available to you. There are in fact so many templates. You can just choose a template and the flow is ready-made for you. You just enter your OpenAI key and voila, you have a chat interface similar to ChatGPT and you can start asking questions. So it's that easy to get started with LangFlow. Next, I'll show you how we use LangFlow in our AI projects. So at Bell Stearns, we have an AI agent playground where you have so many AI agents, all of them built using LangFlow in the background. So I'm going to show you the LangFlow that we are using for the LinkedIn copywriter AI agent. By specifying the target audience, the subject or topic you'd like to talk about, and passing 3 reference links. So these 3 reference links could be URLs to LinkedIn post that you've written or the post that you like and you want this agent to mimic the writing style and tone. You can pass these values here, and the agent will give you 3 variations of a post. So you can go to ai.bellstones.com and try out this agent yourself. Now let's look at how we can configure this in Langflow. So I have a version of the Langflow that we use for the Copywriter agent, and I've uploaded it here. So you can export and import workflows. So I have this flow here, and here we take in 3 URLs. We are using the URL component. So through this URL component, the Langflow will be able to crawl the LinkedIn post, understand the writing style, take the writing style and then pass it to a prompt builder. And here we have a prompt builder which builds the prompt here. So we have the user prompt where you're passing in the reference, the 3 references, the subject and audience. And the best part is I'm using the Azure AI component here. So here I have an Azure AI component. I'm passing in my API keys, the deployment name, and my system prompt. So I've given a system prompt here through which the agent is able to write and give me the output. And if you'd like to make any changes, right, so it's very straightforward. Langflow is based out of LangChain. So you can go to the code editor here and you can make changes yourself. If you want to make some changes to some part of this program, you can change and build your own custom component. And you can save that component. So I can save this component and I'll have my own saved components, a variation of the saved component here, and you can use it. So we have all these components that you can directly use. You can build your own components. You can discover more components. So a little drawback of Langflow is version control. Let's say you have a dev, staging and production environment. How do you manage these flows in different environments, and how do you manage prompts at every iteration, right? So that's where we have another tool called LangFuse that can help you to solve this exact problem. It's another open source LLM-ops tool to help you with logging, tracing, and managing your prompts. Well, I'll cover that in the next video. So now that I'm done with the demo, I can go back to my application here in House of FOSS and I can just turn off the instance. So once I turn off the application, you won't be charged after that. So I'm only charged for the number of minutes I'm using the application. Save up to 60% on your SaaS bill by switching to free and open source software through the House of FOSS platform. Be it LLM systems, ERPs, developer tools, learning platforms, business analytics, project management, or even CRM, House of FOSS has got you covered. Sign up today and get $10 free credit.